Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to talk about the fastest way to bring traffic to your website. Now, let's get started. Hey entrepreneurs, bloggers, and online hustlers. Are you tired of staring at your website analytics and seeing zero movement? Stop scrolling. Today, I'm sharing the top proven strategies to bring traffic to your website fast. No fluff, just actionable tips. So buckle up because things are about to get fast and furious. Let's jump to it. Number 1, paid advertising. The traffic booster rocket. Let's kick things off with paid advertising, the ultimate fast track to traffic. Platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, TikTok Ads lets you laser target your audience. You can reach potential customers based on age, interests, locations, and even the specific keywords they are searching for. Start small. Start with $50 to $60 a day. It's enough to test the waters. And there is a pro tip. Use retargeting ads. These remind people about your site after they have already visited. Boost conversions like crazy. Number 2, viral social media content. Now, go where the people are. Social media is your golden ticket. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn can bring instant traffic if you create content that connects. Here's the secret. Keep it short, shareable, and virtually stunning. Use trending hashtags and jump on viral challenges. For example, a simple how to or before and after video can explode with engagement. And don't forget to add a strong call to action in your bio or post captions like click the link in my bio to learn more. Simple but effective. Next step. Number 3, collaboration with influencers. Borrow the spotlight. Why build an audience from scratch when influencers are already there? They have the audience. Partnering with influencers is like borrowing a megaphone for your brand. Even micro-influencers with 10 to 50K followers can drive massive traffic to your websites. Make it easy for influencers. Send them your product, service details, or even a custom discount code to share with their followers. Number 4, SEO. Traffic that works while you sleep. Now understand, search engine optimization or SEO is the gift that keeps on giving. Focus on high intent keywords that your audience is actively searching for, like best budget laptops or let's say quick dinner recipes. These are the words that will bring them straight to you. Want a head start? Do this. Use free tools like, there are many tools like SEO Optimers or different tools in the market, SEMrush, Ahrefs, and don't forget to optimize your meta tag descriptions, alt tags, and the complete on-page things in your website. And for more videos for SEO, we're going to give you more details in the coming videos. Up next, number 5, lead magnets. Give it to get. Lead magnets are irresistible. Think free ebooks, exclusive webinars, or discount codes. They attract visitors like bees to honey. And once they are on your site, they are much more likely to stay. Pro tip, pair your lead magnets with an email opt-in form. The way you're not just getting traffic, you're basically budding to a community to who you can market again and again. Up next, number 6, tap into online communities. Your hidden traffic goldmine. Quora, Reddit, and niche Facebook groups are highly targeted spaces filled with people actively looking for solutions you can provide. Jump in, answer questions, and subtly drop a link to your website when relevant. But a quick warning, don't spam. Add a value first and then traffic will follow naturally. Most importantly, call to actions. Get interactive, all right? Now, it's your turn. Which of these strategies are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let's chat. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe, and ring the bell for more game-changing tips to grow your online empire. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep hustling, Keep growing, keep winning. See you in the next video.